Hello everyone, my name is Rabina Gupta. I'm an MBA student, and in this video I'm going to tell and discuss the 8 unique features of e-commerce. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. So before this video, I just want to go for the agenda. So here I'm going to discuss the e-commerce. What is the e-commerce? Introduction of e-commerce. Then what are the 8 unique features of e-commerce? And then the overview of 8 unique features. And then I have selected 3 websites where I did my analysis of those 8 features. And in this video, in this presentation, I'm going to show you the reflection of those 8 features on the e-commerce and what is the importance of those features, how it makes the website effective, and also I have captured the references. So before starting with the 8 features, let me tell you, for this video I have selected 3 websites, which is the Fair online store. It's an online store where you can buy anything, and also you can make account, a seller account, you can sell anything belong to your store. And then the second one is Samsung Canada, which is Samsung is a commercial website, but I chose Canada. It's especially the site who serves the region of Canada, all the provinces, all the area which comes under Canada. And then the third one is IKEA. Again, it's a global brand. It exists in many countries, but for this particular video and for this study, I just chose IKEA Canada. So let's start with the e-commerce. So as I told you, what is e-commerce? The definition of e-commerce is like the the business which enables commercial transactions between the organizations and individuals. Means the website where you can go and you can purchase anything. So it allows you transact between you and the organization who is selling that products. So to make it possible, we need an internet, the World Wide Web, which we call a web, or we can call mobile apps and or the browsers. So if like it's a digital era, so all the users have smartphones. So on the tip of our fingers, we can surf any website and we can do the transaction over our phones or through the devices. Uh, let's move forward with the 8 unique features of e-commerce. So the, our book, I just refer to the book, which gives us 8 unique features. The first one is ubiquity, second one is global reach, and then universal standards, richness, interactivity, information density, personalization and customization, and the social technology. So these are the 8 unique features. I will go one by one and will explain each and every feature. So let's go with the first one, which is the ubiquity. So as we can see, ubiquity means which makes the things possible, availability everywhere across. Availability like means all the times you can access it from anywhere, from your phone, from your laptop, from your computer. So this is the beauty of e-commerce, which makes website available all time everywhere. So what is the benefit of this feature? So if any website has ubiquity, it reduces the transaction cost. Means to buy anything, we have to go to market and we have to spend time to go to market and we have to spend some money to make a trip. But with the ubiquity, you don't need to go anywhere. You can access from your home, from your place, wherever you are sitting, and you can browse that website and you can do the online shopping. So let's move forward to the next feature, which is global reach. Global reach, as we can see, the name itself represents the global. It means it allows to do the transaction across the globe, across the nations. It can be possible within a country. Like if I'm in Canada, I can do the transactions throughout the Canada. I'm sitting in Vancouver and can buy anything for Toronto, for Calgary, for Manitoba. So this is the beauty of e-commerce, which make it possible to reach out to large audience. So whatever is the volume of online population, the online user population who do online shopping, with this feature we can reach out to almost 4 billion people as per 2020. So this is a really good feature because it allows us to reach to greater audience. Moving forward to the universal standard, um, even though the global reach, ubiquity, universal standard, it seems like same, but there is a bit difference. The main purpose of all these features is to reach to the maximum audience across the globe. But when it comes to universal standard, we are talking about the features and the format which we use to build a website. Like there are multiple languages which are accepted throughout the universe. So if any website is using the following the standards, like there are the language JavaScript, HTML, .NET, Java. So all these the languages which are accepted universally. So if any website, any e-commerce is made with those universal standard, it also helps to reduce the cost of consumers and merchants, because if we have make any website, later on if we want to maintain the website, we can hire a developer from anywhere across the globe, who can understand these languages, because these languages are accepted universally. So overall it helps to lower the cost for merchant as well as for the consumers, and it is the set of standards and the norms which are used by all the websites. So moving to the next feature, richness. Richness is basically it refers to the content and complexity of the message, means how clearly the images, the videos are giving the messages and information regarding the products and services, especially to sell when it comes to a complex things, like by providing more information about the complex products. So traditionally, it was possible by chatting with the salesperson, but e-commerce makes it unable to sell complex goods in an innovative way rather than going to face presentation. Even though there is interactivity is available, which is the another feature, but we don't want to confuse with the richness and the interactivity. Richness is like just how well they are the images and the videos are conveying messages about that particular product and service. So it makes us easy, it makes it easy for a consumer to view or to gain the information about that product, and later on they can decide whether they want to buy it or not. So let's move to the next feature, which is the interactivity. Again, it allows two-way communication between merchant and consumer. Again, this is e-commerce. There is no a physical person available, though they are chattings available with the salesperson, but it allows you to communicate with that website. It means it allows, like some e-commerce websites have a feature like they can post community forms like on a Facebook, Instagram. All these allows to interact with people and to share your information with the wide audience. And there are sometimes of features like search boxes, they come up with autofill functionality where you can just type, you can just start typing and it will provide you the information about that website, which was not possible in the traditional way of communication like in television and radio. And the next one is information density. It is again related to the products and the services which are they are providing. Um, with the information density, it is like how much information, how dense is the information is provided by the e-commerce website. So again, it helps to reduce the prices and cost because it becomes more transparent. In traditional way, the sellers used to sell anything with any price, but now these are available online. Users can serve one product over the multiple websites and they can compare the price. So it helps us to provide the to make the prices and the cost of those products more transparent, and reduces the asymmetry. So it is also like the total amount and quality of information available to all market participant consumers, and it helps to make the information more useful and more important. Then moving to the next one, which is personalization and customization. As the name suggests, it's like you want to make a personalized product and service. So the e-commerce website, it allows customers to personalize their messages, or we can personalize any product and service given by that merchant. Then the next and the last is social technology. So it allows users to create and share their content, and they can share their content with the global community, with the wide range of population. So users can create their own networks, or they can strengthen their existing networks. It's like they can make one centralized solutions, and they can be shared with the huge audience with the help of social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So this was all about the 8 features, and then with the next uh, with the next steps, next slides, it will be more clear how these 8 features are utilized by each and every website. So let me first go to the first one, which is the Fair online store. Just let me give you a brief introduction about this store. It's a online store where people can sell multiple things, like they can make their own profile. It's like Amazon, where anybody can list their site, anybody can list their business, and they can upload the images which is accepted by this Fair online standards, which is again based on the universal standards. And then once your business is approved by Fair online, those images, those products will be available on their store. And so let me start with the first one, which is the ubiquity of fair.com. As it starts with www.com, so it means it's available worldwide. It can be accessed anywhere, from any laptop, from any computer, or any phone. So it's available everywhere. The next feature is the global reach. As we can see in the screenshot, it allows us to do the transaction in USD and Canada. So it's available. It's very clear from this screenshot. It's available in 2 countries. But when I was going through this website, it even allows you to register your business for Germany, for Europe, and for some South Asian countries as well. But this particular company is widely available in these 2 countries. So though the reach is not throughout the universe, but they have used this feature. They are showing that they are globally reachable. The next one, which is the universal standards. As I explained earlier, what is the universal standard? This is from the screenshot, we can see that they have used HTML, which is accepted universally. So this is clear from their website. They have used the fonts, colors, which is easily readable throughout the universe, and which helps to reach to the large audience. They also use this a standard the HTML language and JavaScript, which is universally accepted. So it helps them to reduce the cost of merchant as well as for consumers to reach out to multiple products to the large audience. Then moving to the next feature, then it comes the richness. As I mentioned earlier, the richness is like the quality of images and the video, or the information, how clearly they are conveying. So we can see that, like if I'm looking for a tape, they clearly mention the image is so clear that it can tell me, okay, this is all about tape, the which tape cutter. So like the other one is a humidifier, the other ones are the coffee. So they make the images very crisp, and uh, like well defined with the baby products. So even the information, the product description, and the prices all are given very well on this website. Though the videos were missing, but this is not mandatory for every website to list the videos. But yes, it means they can sell all the complex things without much explanation, without the need of physical salesperson, which is the beauty of this richness feature. So, so I found the richness on the fair.com. So when I reviewed the interactivity of fair.com, I went to the help center section where you have option to reach out to the retailers or for the brands, whatever you want to get any help. Though I didn't find uh, the live chat with them, but they still have posted on the guides how you want to make a return, how you want to cancel. So still it's quite interactive for the users. And as I also told, like in the search box, if I will start typing, it will return the required search. So users can interact with it very quite well. Um, so we don't need any. It's not fully two-way communication, which I found missing. But though there is one-way communication where they have put all the guide information, like how you want to cancel, and there are the number as well, customer care number. So it's not like only online website, online chat. They have number as well to reach out to their customer care to for any information or for any problems faced on their website. So I was talking about the information density of fair.com. So they have listed their products category wise. And if I look for location, like if I'm looking for a particular thing which is near 50 miles, or if I'm looking for a ship window which can ship within February, March, April, so that information is they have explained, they have given the information quite well, which I really liked about that. And also they also mention the minimum price if I'm looking for that. And also regarding one product, the information about the detailed description about the price, so it is pretty dense on the website. But still, as compared to Samsung and IKEA, which I will explain later, it is still somehow it's little bit missing. But overall, they are covering very really well. So let's move to the next feature, which is the personalization and customization of the fair.com. As it's an online store where all the merchants can sell their product. So each and every merchant they can personalize on their end. But as such, this company is not one commercial website who are selling their own products. So I didn't find the personalization on each and every product. However, there are some merchants who make personalized necklace, personalized pillows, and some other paintings or jewelry. So the customers can reach out to those merchants if they want to personalize these kind of products. Then the next one is social technology. Yes, they are available socially. Like if I want to share any product or any category of the product or any brand with my other friends or other community, so they are listed on the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and blog. So through that, I can share the fair content with the large audience. Moving to the next one, which is the Samsung Canada. So here also Ubiquiti, we can see that it's available on www. It means it can be accessible through your phone, to your laptop, and accessible throughout from any device. The next is global reach. Yes, Samsung is a very big brand. I especially captured Canada. So in the right hand side, it is the store, like I can nearby store or within Canada, like Toronto, or um, it shows all the Montreal, Southgate Center, all the stores where I can deliver my product, or where which store I can select. On the other hand, I just go to their global website where I can choose the country as well, like the Samsung Africa, Samsung Asia Pacific, and Samsung USA. So it is here we can see it's a globally reachable website. So the next is the universal standards. Again, they are using um the standards of fonts, colors, and HTML markup language, which is again university standard. So anybody can easily access their website, and if they want to hire developers to maintain their websites, they can hire globally to help with them to deal with their regular maintenance changes or and everything. The richness of the Samsung, it's really good because they have high quality images. From that you can get all the images of like all the devices. They have videos as well. Like I have shared the picture of that. You can play the video. It will show how the colors moves on the phone, on the TV. So you can scroll up for the multiple images. And because in this presentation I was not able to capture the videos of their website, but when I reviewed their website, I found it quite well, the richness. And even though the products are complex, but through information, through the images, through the videos, they conveyed it quite well, the specifications of that product, and it helped customers to buy those products. That is the beauty of richness feature, which is quite well used by Samsung. Then the interactivity of Samsung, yes, I found the live chat, the line language, the sign language support. They can be conducted through email. There is online phone numbers as well, tech supports. So they are available with each and every type of media to interact with the customers. Apart from that, users can type and search the products. Just typing, they will send the recommendations to all the available products. So I also found this features quite well used by Samsung. The next is information density. Again, all the products are listed with all the colors, all the prices. So the one user can compare even the number of devices within Samsung website. So it really helps them to, with the density of the information they provided, it really helps customer to decide which product they need to buy. So they also make use of this feature quite well. The next is the personalization customization. They have specifically link where you can customize your own product. You can tell what memories, what is the size, what is the color by clicking on this link, and they will just made it for you, because this is the Samsung is the company who makes their own products. And there is also in the right hand side, I just select um, like you can design your own kitchen. They will virtually show how it will look like if you are selecting this feature. So that really helps customers to decide how their personalized gadgets or personalized products will look on their kitchens. So they have a quite good, they utilize this feature quite well, and this is very well present in the Samsung. And the next is social technology. As we can see, they have available on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, all the websites. So you can share any information regarding the Samsung, and you can find their page on these social media applications to share or to get any information from this. So this is, they also make use of this feature. So from my this uh, reviewing the Samsung, I found they have utilized all the 8 features quite well. Now moving to the next site, which is the IKEA. So when we talk about the ubiquity of, yes, they are available. They also their website is starts with www, which can be reachable throughout from all the devices from any place. And then the global reach, especially I choose IKEA Canada, but if I'm going to choose the IKEA, the global website, they are available throughout the multiple countries. But even within global reach in the North America, yes, from their site you can choose any store like IKEA available in English, available in France, or IKEA US. So yes, they have used this feature. I found this feature in the IKEA. Also regarding the universal standard, yes, they are available. They have used the universal standards languages, colors, and pictures. The next is richness of the IKEA. Yes, they again, you can imagine and you can see from the picture how it will look like in your bedroom, like the bed. You can see any bed with the price, with the information. So like you, they are selling quite complex information by giving the complex information in a very friendly and innovative way. So if you just cursor your mouse on one image, you can see just one bed, and the same time once you will move your cursor, then it will show the image of that bed in your bedroom. So that's quite interesting. And going moving to the next, yes, I found the interactivity feature used by IKEA, because you can find your order number with just placing the order number and or email or phone number. So that will provide your track, or you can track and manage your order. You can contact us for any operation hours or for any pickup locations, and there are customer service page where you can categorize each and every category. So regarding that, you can specifically contact them. So they also use this interactivity feature quite well. Then the information density, yes, they compare similar products quite well with the price, with the images. So this feature is quite well they have used. Like you can compare the prices with those products in the outside, and IKEA always known for the lower prices with the greater quality. So um, when I go to the IKEA, I really enjoyed how dense was the information provided by them. You can easily compare the prices with outside of IKEA. Then the personalization, yes, they have personalization planning services. Though you need to pay for those if you are planning for any kitchen planning, for any sleep planning, they have persons who can provide you those services. Though their products are already there, you cannot customize them. But yes, they provide customized services to plan your appliances, your products according to your need. So they utilize this feature. Then the last one is the social technology. Yes, they are available on the social media. They are also using Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and the YouTube. So we can easily found and we can share any content of IKEA in all those social sites. So these are the references which I have used to make this video, to make this evaluation. Um, then yeah, thank you. But before saying thank you, I would like to tell you that these features are really important to make a e-commerce website successful. If these 8 features are utilized properly, it can interact a large audience, and it can help to increase the business of e-commerce website. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.